Now I'm gonna take you to the best barbecue restaurant you've ever been to, right on the countertop.
You always do.
Do you smell that?
Yes.
Oh man. So, slow cooked ribs are amazing, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to take it to the next level.
What in the
All right,
world is this?
this is a professional mop. We're gonna put a little extra barbecue sauce right on our ribs.
Wow.
I just put our air fryer lid on, and now I'm gonna make that barbecue sauce crispy. Because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna air fry them
Oh my gosh.
to perfection. So now we have the tender fall off the bone ribs, and we caramelize that barbecue sauce I put on at the last minute.
So you don't have to run it to the broiler or the oven. It's all in one pot.
So I hope you're ready, baby.
Ooh,
Look at this.
fantastic.
Ooh, this one wants to fall apart before I
Already falling
look
off
at
the
this.
bone.
Gorgeous. Now what I'm gonna do, we're just gonna finish this off with a little chopped onion. I love chopped onion on my ribs. And just pretty it up with a little fresh herb to make it nice and bright. Just look at the caramelization of these ribs. Look at that. They shine and shimmer, but yet they still fall apart like beauty.
A thing of beauty, for sure.
It is a thing of beauty. All right. You want a piece of that?
Oh, the flavor's amazing.
That's why I say we're going to the best barbecue restaurant right here on our countertop.
The PowerXL Combo 12-in-1.